is you.
I'm gonna deflate right now. Probably to about at least 10 psi. And приехали. Да?
Ага. Если не боится, можно ехать домой.
Ну, а что бояться нам?
Если папа будет стоять, а они будут стоять и
Wow, how beautiful it is.
убегать.
It's so beautiful.
Если будет видеть нас, и потом будет убегать
Ну,
и плакать.
мы пока никого не видели.
И потом будет, и потом папа назад домой гонит.
Хорошо. Well, try to do a reversal. Getting pretty deep. Now I'm stuck. So probably gonna have to winch up forward through this stuff. Let's see. Cause I am buried. Okay, let's hurry up and get out of here before it gets too late. Well, this is why we don't mess around. We keep tools on us. Always make sure they work. Strap that up to the tree. And I'm actually just gonna pull it out. Que rolling туда. It's pulling me right out. Okay. Now, let's try to go. Onto the trail again. Let's see how it goes. Wish me luck, boys. So, just kind of start with this one. Engage it. Okay, got some tension on the rope. I mean, you could just see how deep this snow is. I am down to my crotch. Like, this is no joke, snow. But it's good, good conditions. Happy we made it this far. Yeah. That's why you gotta never skimp out on tools, materials, ropes. I tried the track boards, didn't work out very well. These pulleys, 2 pulleys, those helped a lot. So yeah, let's head on home. Yeah. Oh yeah. Прелесть какая у нас тут. Красиво, красиво. Well, here we are, just kind of hanging out, stop for a little bit. So where we are right now is it's called 4 Corners. It's basically where a few different campgrounds meet in one spot. I mean, intersect, so to speak. So that way is Goose Lake, Trout Lake kind of thing going on. That's actually where we were heading up. And then it's starting to bottom out just ever so slightly, so I decided I wanted to turn around, got stuck. That's where I had to do a self-recovery. Now we're here just chilling a little bit. Benny's playing. I'm gonna have a little bit of some tea here going on. Got a sandwich, some cookies. We'll play for a little bit longer and start heading out so Mom doesn't get worried. Right, Benny? We're gonna go home soon?
I'm still not playing.
Well, yeah, you're still playing, I know. You want me to fix your hat? You got it? Just так. Is that better?
Okay.
Так, ты держи. Пока так держи. FJ снимай. Окей? Сейчас папа вокруг делает. Окей? Here, someone did not have a good day.
Стави 4Runner.
Да, не ставили.
А другой 4Runner. Они черные. А это
Ласка.
Вау.
That's not a good time. Okay.
Это люди оставили.
Да, люди оставили, я не знаю. Someone had a good bad day.
Yeah.
Well, here it is. This concludes mine and Benny's trip. Hey! Здравствуйте! Gotta fill up the tires. They were at 10 PSI. Just gonna bring them up to probably about 35 and head on out. It's already that time. Don't want Mom worried. And yeah, we had fun. Got stuck, got out. self-recovery. All right, Benny. Time to go home, yeah?
No.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.